Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to add education, and if you want to show education or not you can turn it on or off, and that's it. First of all, enter the application and here you will find this me profile here, and then click on profile. As you see here, you can manage your profile as you want. Here in the bottom you will find the education, click on it, and here as you see you can add the school. Just search on your school or university. Here you find enrollment time, and here you can choose if you want to show education or not show education, or don't show education I mean. And then you will find this save button, click on it, and here it will be saved successfully, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.